In this tutorial, I will show you how to save SVG format in Adobe Photoshop 2026. SVG files are ideal for logos, icons, and web graphics because they remain sharp at any size. Open Adobe Photoshop 2026. Open your logo or icon if you want to edit. Then go to the File menu of the top. Then select Export. Also select Export As. The Export As window will open. Set format to SVG. Make sure transparent is enabled if needed. Keep scale at 100. Click Export. Choose your save location. Name your file. Click Save. SVG file is now ready. That's it. If you enjoyed this video helpful, please subscribe to our graphics solution trick channel and click on the bell icon for more updates.